With the R8 LMS GT2, we are extending our customer portfolio to those who just want to escape the daily routine, who want to go out to their favorite tracks, who want to enjoy with a super sports car a day on track. For the moment being, there is no GT2 championship in existence, but we are pretty sure that the SRO will take care of that. Meanwhile, there are plenty of opportunities to take this beautiful vehicle out to track days, race resorts, public race events, and use it for pure leisure and fun. The Audi R8 LMS GT2 features a natural aspirated 640 horsepower engine in a Spider chassis with a hardtop. All racing relevant safety features are included in this beautiful machinery. Within the new category GT2 for extremely powerful sports cars, the Audi R8 LMS GT2 will take you beyond regular GT racing. It will take you out to the legendary racetracks, to the exciting race resorts in this world.